Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
87-degree air temperature. We have a feels like temperature of 101 already. It's going to be a warm and steamy afternoon. Dew point value 79. That's about as sticky and thick as the air can get here in Florida. Don't hardly ever see it higher than that. You know, that's one of the trade-offs that we have here being near the coast. We get that nice sea breeze, which now is west-southwest, coming in the afternoons. That keeps our air temperature a little cooler, but it also makes the humidity rise. So, you know, a little cooler on one side, a little stickier on the other side. That's where we're headed this afternoon. Got a shower in progress, but just one. Otherwise, everything's pretty quiet here on the Sun Coast, and it probably will be till we get till about 3 o'clock. Then we'll start to work in a chance of showers in inland areas, Hardee and DeSoto counties, and then those showers will tend to have a somewhat erratic motion because the wind field is so very light. But in general, the massive showers will work their way closer to the coastline as they tend to die out around 7 o'clock or so. And then we'll have a pretty quiet overnight. So currently, you look at Titan radar and you see mostly a few scattered showers out in the Gulf. We do have, like I said, one in progress down to the south, or we did. It's gone now. It came up and blew up and then kind of just dissipated. So right now, everything is pretty quiet everywhere you look, actually. High pressure ridge, the dominant weather feature. There may be another shower popping up along close to the coastline with the sea breeze just beginning to build, but it's later on in the day when the easterly wind flow meets our west coast sea breeze, and along the spine of the state you start to see these showers form. The showers will tend to be pushed across the state into our area as we head into 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then closer to the coast 4, 5, 6 o'clock around that time frame. This pattern is not going anywhere for the next couple of days. High pressure is locked in, and it really is going to provide us with this light southeasterly wind flow, which turns west in the afternoon with a sea breeze and just a few afternoon storms, and humid all week. Tropics are quiet. Nothing here that gives us too much concern. The Gulf waters are quiet. The Atlantic waters, the Caribbean, all look really tame, calm, sunny, actually. But far away from us, at a distance of almost 3,000 miles, is this one little disturbance, which has about a 20% chance over the course of 2 to 5 days of development. Not much. And it's going to be very close to land. It's going to have some upper level drier air to deal with. So we'll watch it, but I'm not too terribly concerned about it. Everything looks pretty good, actually. Northwest wind coming in at about 10 knots, turning to the east at about 5, 2-foot seas, light chop. And our forecast shaping up like this. For today, we'll look at about a 30% chance of showers, maybe a little less tomorrow. 91 our daytime high, hot, sticky weather. For a couple of days, it'll be warm and sticky. Then I think maybe on Saturday, we'll start to up the rain chance just a little bit to about 60% and keep it there. On Sunday as well, so for the first weekend of fall, we're looking at a little bit better rain chance, which will carry on into the beginning of next week. Scott?